So I'm here working on a 2012 Chevy Cruze, and I'm looking at the front brakes. They're low. Pads are worn, so I'm going to replace them. Got it up here on the lift, and I'm going to remove the wheels. Got the pads already. Yeah, I can see they're pretty low. So there's two bolts to remove the brake pads right in here. They're not very tight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tube on this and crack that bleed valve open when I'm collapsing the cylinder here, so I won't force the old fluid back up the line. I want to force it out. So right there is the bleed valve. It takes a number 10. I'm going to put a wrench on it. And I've got some silicone tubing I'm going to slide over here to direct the brake fluid down and into a container. So I've got a C-clamp installed on here, and I'm just squeezing the pads. And we're going to go ahead and crack open the bleeder a little bit. And I can already see fluid. So that means I know that the old fluid is getting removed, and I'm compressing the cylinder back into the brake. And I'm going to go ahead and close that bleeder now. And I can get my C-clamp out of there. There's a little black rubber cap that goes over the bleeder. Very small bolts hold the front brake on. And I can set that up out of the way. And so here's a comparison of the old pads and the new pads. So I've got the pads on and I'm getting ready to put this back on. I'm just going to check, make sure these sliders are smooth. They're very smooth and the boots are in good shape. And there's some anti-rattle shims on here. So I just need to install the caliper back into position. And just bolt it back. And then I'll do the other side, same way. And pretty simple job here. So there you have it. Do the other side the same as this and you're done. Hope you enjoyed the video and good luck with your projects.